Exercise 1.2 Mathematics Class 9. So we have got the first question. State whether the following statements are true or false. So first part, every irrational number. So irrational number is a real number. So we have to state whether irrational numbers are a real number. So answer is true. Why? Because the real number is a collection of both rational and irrational number. Example, 0 is a real number, 1, 2, fraction 3 by 4, 5 by 6, root 2, root 3, pi, 0.25, decimal, 2.6, and goes on. Are all the real numbers. So in this, root 2, root 3, root 5 are irrational numbers. So in a set of real number, these are irrational numbers. So all the irrational numbers are real number. So question number 1, part 2, every point on a number line is in the form of root m, where m is a natural number. What is a natural number? Number which is in the positive side and starting with 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are natural number. So the statement root m is false if m is a natural number. Why? Because if I take root 2, root 2 is 1.414, it is in a decimal format and it is not a natural number. And root 9 of course is 3, is a natural number. So not every root with a natural number can be fitted in the number line. So the statement is incorrect. So question number 1, part 3, every real number is an irrational number. Is it correct? What is real number? In part 1 we have understood that real number is all the numbers including fraction, decimal and natural number. So 0 is a real number, 1, 2, 3, 4, fraction, decimal are all real numbers. Very good. So irrational numbers, all the irrational numbers which is not in the form of p by q are real numbers, but not all real number is irrational. The 2, number 2, 2 can be written in the form of p by q, 2 by 1 is a real number, it is rational. So answer is false. Statement every irrational number is a real number, but not every real number is irrational. So question 2 states that are the square root of all positive integers irrational? If not, give an example of square root of number that is rational number. So we first understood we have to first understand what are positive integers. Positive integers are a number which is having positive sign on the number value, number line, which is lying on the right side of the number line. That is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, and it goes on. So if we take square root of 4, equal to 2, square root of 9 is 3. So 2 can be written in 2 by 1. It is in the form of p by q, and p and q are integers. Q is not equal to 0. Q means the denominator is not equal to 0. Hence 2, 3 are rational number. So the above statement is truly false. Square root of all integers are not irrational. So question number 3 states that show root 5 which can be expressed or represented in the on the number line. I've already discussed this answer in my previous explained video. You can please watch the video. I'll explain it, try to explain it in nutshell today. So for this you take a right angle triangle ABC with base BC as 2 units and altitude AB as 1 unit. So I have taken a triangle ABC. B is a right angle triangle. Its B is 90 degree. Base BC I have taken as 2 units and AB altitude as 1 unit. So using Pythagoras theorem, what does Pythagoras theorem is? Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. So AC square equal to BC square plus AB square. So AC square is 2 square plus 1 square. That is 4 plus 1. So AC square is 5. So AC is root 5. Now, this understanding, we have to construct it in a number line. So for this, you first draw a line, and with the help of a compass, take 1 unit, draw an arc from 1 without altering, take the same arc. So this C point becomes 2 unit. This is step number 1. Step number 2, you have to draw a perpendicular at B. Take a dimension in your compass, draw an arc without altering the dimension, cut the arc on 2 phases, first at this and putting the compass at this point, draw a cut at this phase. Thereafter, you have to cut on the upper 2 phases with the compass needle at this point, draw an arc, compass needle at this point to cut the previous arc. Now, this juncture and B is to be met, and 1 unit have to be cut. So the line have been drawn, and I've cut 1 unit here, making the point A. Now next is join A to C. So when I'm joining A to C, root 5, this is the hypotenuse, so root 5 have been created. Is the sum over? No, it is still not over. Now we have to represent the length of AC and put it in a number line. So what is the length of AC? We use the compass and we find the length, put the compass needle at B, and we draw an arc. So B, what is B? B is 0. This is number 1 unit. This is 2 unit. So root 5 unit length should be cut from the B point. So this root 5 length have been cut at this point, making this point as root 5, B as root 0. So if this B, C is a number line extended till root 5, so root 5 is placed on the number line. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and promote. Please share it with your friends.